Hey, what's going on? Mathew, Tamin here. I am so excited because I am doing another live training. This is a step-by-step live that you're going to learn how to build an amazing landing page for any type of product or business that you have. See, over the years, I've worked on so many different projects for entrepreneurs, for startups, for medium-sized companies, large companies, and I've taught them how to build high converting landing page. So in this training, I'm going to teach you, even if you never created websites before, how do you build a landing page that converts, look professional, increase your sales for your business. When you go to my website, MathewTamin.com, these are some of the custom themes that I built. Now, I've worked on so many different industries, and based on the type of industry that you're in, certain landing pages, they just convert better. And there's some key things that you need to understand how to do. So these are pages that I've built, and I just want to show you what you're going to learn how to build. Okay, so let's take a look at these. You know, with so many people creating courses today, you need to create a high converting landing page to promote your course, because that is the only way that you're going to have people to buy your course. You know, you want something that's easy to convert but also looks professional and clean. So here's the sample template that I designed. Now, the way that I designed this is meant for high conversion. It's very simple. You know, a lot of times when people launch courses, they think they have to, have this, cumbersome page with so much going on, but you can create something simple like this. If you have a section for testimonials, or you can build a section like this for preview of your courses, right? Where you can have your main course here, you can have maybe like a part 1 here. You can do a little previews of your courses, so when people click on there, they can get a little highlight of it. It's going to pop up something for them to watch. And if you sell courses as well, you can definitely sell your courses. Whether you have 1 course, 2 courses, or you have 10 or 20, you can be able to build something that, people can come on the website and they can purchase your courses right there. And for those that sign up for your email list, you're going to learn how to convert those, right? How do you turn visitors into actual lifelong paying clients? The next type of landing page is an ebook. Listen, ebooks are very effective and they're popular now than they've ever been. So if you just create an ebook and you're looking for ways to promote it to generate quality leads, in this, you're going to learn how do you promote an ebook. This again is another landing page that I designed for an ebook that I wrote. I have the hard copy of this book and also an ebook, and I wanted to find effective ways to get it out. So I designed this, and man, I'm telling you, I've received so many leads just from this alone, right? You want something that's very simple. You want to preview what people are going to get. You can give them the benefits and answer questions. And again, the goal of it is you want to get things straight to the point, so that they can be able to download your ebook. And then from there, I'll show you the next steps. What should you do after you capture all these leads? How do you take that and put into a CRM to convert those leads and to nurture those leads and then have them become paying clients? Another popular landing page that people need to learn how to build is a webinar. A lot of people having webinars today because they have a product, they have a message, they have an event, they have something that they want to share. Well, in this, you're going to see how do you build a webinar page, something like this, where people can come in, they can register for your event, they can choose, the date. And then once they register, they're going to get redirected to another page with a little bit more information. I'm going to cover that in this training for you. And you can set when the webinar starts, a countdown. This really gets people excited because they know that, okay, in 3 days, in 2 days, whatever time frame that is, this webinar is going to start during that time. And again, with my designs, I want to keep them very simple, very clean. You can have your webinar topics here, which you're going to talk about to give people a little bit more information about it. You can also have, if you have guest speakers, multiple speakers in this webinar, you can list them here. You can put a link back to their website, to their social media platform. right? And then you can put in what are you going to be talking about at the webinar. You can have the different, topics that's going to be covered and who's going to be covering all those topics. Again, these are all the things that you want to be mindful of when you're creating a webinar landing page. And I'm going to show you how to design it from scratch, how to get it launched, and how to get people to actually sign up for your webinar. This is going to increase, your visitors. It's going to increase conversion. It's going to increase your sales as well. The next one we're going to take a look at is an affiliate program. Now, an affiliate program is super effective. It allows for other people to sign up, just like Amazon have the associate program where people sign up and they get to generate money for that company. So you can learn how to build a high quality affiliate page. Maybe you're thinking about launching an affiliate program, or you already have one, but you don't have a landing page that you feel converts very well. Well, this here, you can use this regardless of what platform. So even if you don't have a Joomla website and you want to use this landing page to another type of platform, you can do that as well. And I'm going to show you how to do so. So this works for any type, right? It's very clean. As you can see, it's very simple. You have call to action so people know exactly what they're getting, how to sign up. They know how much they're getting, the bonuses. And let's scroll through here. And again, it's very simple for you to get access to. And the point of it is you want to make your program very clear and attractive. When your affiliate program is attractive, it's going to attract the right type of people. It's going to attract the right type of clients, right? So this is one that you're going to learn how to be able to build, and the techniques and the methods that go into building something like this. And finally, we have an e-commerce landing page. Most people that are launching products, you don't always need to have, 20, 30 products or, pages to launch. With something like this, whether you have one product or you have 10, 15, whatever that number is, if you don't have a lot of products, this is great because you build something that's very simple, free shipping, money back, secure payments. Again, the goal of it is you want to create something that is very attractive to your visitors, because that's what's going to make them want to buy. You want something unique, something different. So it's just scroll through. They can click here and they can buy this. And they can scroll through here. And as you can see, it's very clean. And you scroll down to the bottom, you have this pop-up. They can be able to choose to subscribe, get 50% off their first purchase, or whatever percentage that is. Now, when they click on this, it's going to redirect them, and you can be able to, take it from there. Now, this is popular items here. So we're going through, you scroll through. So if you're looking to launch an e-commerce store, then something like this is going to work great for, for what you need. Listen, I'm excited about this training. I've received so many emails from you guys. Mathew, I need help with generating quality leads for my website. I'm struggling right now. I'm not getting anywhere. And the truth of the matter is, some of you that sent me your website, I look at them and I'm like, your website looks horrible. That's just the plain truth. Your website is not professional. You have like 6, 7 different colors going, 5 different font sizes going. It looks so unprofessional. And people don't understand that if you want to attract the right clientele, you have to have quality site, because people attract quality. So there are key things that you have to pay attention when you're building your landing page. You can have the greatest product in the world, but if your page doesn't convert or relate that message, trust me, people will not buy that. I've seen people that have great products, horrible marketing strategy, they didn't generate much sales at all. And on the flip side of it, I've seen people that had not the best products, but they did such an awesome job with their marketing, including their landing page, and their conversion rates went off the chart. So I'm going to show you. So even if you don't have a Joomla site and you're saying, Mathew, I want to learn how to build a landing page and connect it to my existing website, you can do that. Okay, so if you have, let's say, a WordPress or another site that's not built with Joomla, and you still want to, you can still learn how to integrate what you're building into your current website. That's possible. So this training is going to walk you through how to get that done, and I look forward to you being part of it. So if you've never created websites before, you're like, man, Mathew, this website stuff, I don't know what to do. I'm not a coder. Listen, this is not for coders. This is meant for beginners that want to learn how to do this by themselves. So whether you're doing this for yourself or for a client or for business, you're going to get everything that you need. And at the end of this training, you're going to have all the skills. You're going to learn everything you need to learn to build a high quality, high converting landing page for any industry. Again, what you're going to learn, the tips, the techniques that I'm going to show you, it works for every industry across the board. Once you apply those simple things, I promise you, you're going to see a tremendous change in your business.